Alfie, hi buddy.
Wait, no, that makes no sense.
How you doing?
So like this.
Hi buddy.
Yes.
Alfie, come here. Oh, good bird, Alfie. You ready for the snacky snack training session? Woohoo!
Oh, it's so cute. She's so weird.
You ready to train him, Jackie?
Yes.
Woohoo! We got my sister who is going to train Alfie. I like to do this exercise when people come over to basically socialize my parrot and get him used to other people so that it means when new people come over, he gets treats. All right, buddy, you ready?
Oh, he's ready.
Woohoo! All right, so here we go. Alfie is going to do recall training with Jackie, and Alfie is ready to eat. Aren't you, buddy? Can you whistle? Good bird. So cute. Oh yeah, so here we go. All right, Jackie, what you're gonna do, have your treat ready, I'll click, and you put your left hand out, which means come. So you wanna call his name,
Okay.
and then he'll come to you. Put your left hand out.
This one?
Uh-huh. A little bit higher. Perfect. Well, I didn't call, see, you see how, nope. You didn't call him,
Yeah.
so he doesn't get a treat. Because right now, Alfie and I, step up, are working on when you call him, he comes, not whenever he wants. So we don't want to reward him for that. All right, so you ready? Put your hand up a little bit higher. I'm gonna let go of his feet. Up, up, up. I'm gonna let go of his feet and then call him. Ready?
Okay.
Go for it.
Alfie, come. Is that?
Yep, that's good. All right. Now take a step back. And then I'm gonna call him back. Alfie. He just wants to. Alfie, come here, buddy. Good bird. And now take a step farther back. And we're gonna do it again. So the way that I get him prepared to come back to you is, his signal is I open my arm up, and this means he's ready to go. So have your arm ready.
Okay.
All right, and then call him now.
Alfie, come.
That's a good recall right there. He came within 3 seconds of you calling him.
Yeah.
So you want to do the same? You want to turn him around?
So,
There you go. Don't be afraid of him. Arm all the way out. Alfie. I'm going to let him slide on that one. So you don't have to, he's not going to break. He's a bird.
Okay.
He's done this before, so you just go like this. And then whenever you're ready, let me know.
Alfie, come.
Make sure he's paying attention to you and focused, and then say it loud and say it and call him just by his first name. Just call him.
Alfie.
There you go. Good bird.
Oh, he's gonna chew it? Oh, should he chew it first?
Yeah, let him eat first.
Oh, this made me so happy.
Check out this Christmas tree, guys. Woohoo! Christmas Eve. Having a good time. Got some family there. Say hi, Elle. And Mama Bird Bay, Mama.
Oh!
It's okay. I got him. So that doesn't count. He's just patiently waiting. He's like, come on, man. It's fine. All right, take a step back. Right? Perfect. Alfie. Good bird. He's just like, where's my food, man? All right, so here's what I want you to do. Pull that chair up and stand on top of it.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Put it right where, more. Right there's perfect. So we're gonna practice ascending flight, which means going up.
Mm-hmm.
So same deal.
Okay.
And let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Cool.
Alfie.
Good bird. So you see that?
Yeah. Should I stay up here?
Stay up there, he'll come down. Whoop. Let me know when you're ready. Good. Alfie. Good bird. Here you go. He's not sure of that box. He's always like nervous about new objects.
That's so funny.
Alright, we'll do it again, but I'll
One
call him
more?
from here. Yeah,
Okay.
we'll do one more and we'll call it good. So the reason why I like to do ascending and descending flight is because it helps train his muscles for one day when he goes and gets stuck in a tree, I can call him down. He's confident with that. It's a technique, right, for parrots. But at the same time, he also learns how to go up and build his wing muscles by doing the ascending flight. Descending takes skill, ascending takes effort. You ready? All right.
Alfie.
You sure the present is for you?
Alfie.
Alfie, over there, look.
Alfie.
Wait, let me change position like this.
Oh.
All right, you ready?
Okay.
Alfie.
Maybe it's not ready.
Alfie, you want a treat? Try again.
Alfie.
Alfie. All right, so here's what you want to do. Turn around and give him your back. That means you lost your opportunity to get a treat.
Okay.
All right, now turn around. And now try again.
Alfie.
Alfie, you want a treat? Maybe it's because I'm low. Alfie, treat? Come on. Oh, he's looking at me like I have a
Alfie.
treat. Over there. Try one more time.
Alfie.
Alfie, treat, treat. He doesn't want to fly anymore. That's why he went to his perch. All right, we'll try it one more time to end on a positive note. Alfie, treat.
Alfie.
Go.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. So he didn't really want to fly on that last one. It was probably too long of a session for him, which is fine. Had to give him that last little nudge at the end, but ideally, he doesn't do that. Could be that was just slow. Who knows? All right, stand over there, and I'll call him back one last time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Should I stand up?
Yeah, sure. All right. Alfie. He's lazy. He's like, I don't want to go up. It's a good bird. So, some quick exercises that I like to do with Alfie and socializing him with other people. Other things that I liked to do was I had my mom feed him treats to the cage and do tricks, and stepping up as a form of getting treats, socializing, and positive reinforcement. So, catch you guys next time.